What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Polygon and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted. Links in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we've had many reports that our subscribers aren't seeing our content, and this is most likely because you haven't hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon with all notifications turned on. Give it a tap now, turn on all notifications, and you'll most likely see most of our videos being posted. Also, if you want to support the channel, make sure to tap that like, it really helps us out. We're posting 4 videos per day, so make sure to check back every single day for daily updates. So we're just taking a look at Polygon here, and as we can see, it's finally starting to get that nice pump that we've been anticipating. Obviously for about a few weeks now, it's been consolidating and going sideways, and we've been getting a lot of stick from people basically saying Polygon's never going to pump, it's just going to roll over and go to zero, and all manner of things in between basically. A lot of people getting frustrated, I guess, with the price, and our take on it basically saying that Polygon, we're saying Polygon was going to head to the upside very soon, and a lot of people getting you could say understandably frustrated with that, because obviously it hasn't moved very much for essentially the past few weeks. But obviously, if you know about technical analysis and how things work, you could tell that this was probably pretty much primed for a breakout for basically the last week. When you look at how bullish the market structure is on this chart, you can see this massive fake out to the downside, which got fully rejected of this descending wedge here. You can see quite clearly. We've obviously come up, retested it, the top of the wedge as resistance, flipped it into support, broke our 20 EMA, flipped it into support. We've come up to our 55, but we got rejected, but consolidated for a week, almost 2 weeks here, really bullishly in between the 2 EMAs. Basically consolidating under resistance is really bullish, because it shows that there's a lot of desire for that resistance to be broken. And you can see quite clearly here, a lot of demand in this area. Basically chopped it sideways for what was this, a few weeks here. And then we've actually broken out of our 55. Nice pump to the upside. We actually came down for 2 days, perfectly back tested the 55 here. If we zoom in, you can see exactly what we're talking about. We've actually come up here, perfectly back tested our 55 for essentially 3 days. We've had 1 day of consolidation above resistance, and then obviously this next resistance we were consolidating under now, and now that we've flipped the 55 into support, and now you can see we're basically heading up, aren't we? We're going pretty much off to the races right now. I really need to take the grid off on the magnet. Here we go. It's because my arrows get really messed up by the grid. Can you see? They basically like try and adhere to the grid structure behind. But you can see Polygon here is having a nice pump, isn't it? It's had a nice 20% move to the upside today, which made total sense considering that we were essentially consolidating above and retesting this previous resistance into support. I had 1 day here of gearing up underneath of this resistance here for a move to the upside. And as you can see, Polygon has had a really nice move here, all the way up to, almost 140. Now it's having a little bit of a pullback. But you can see, it's breaking out of all these key resistances, consolidating above them, flipping them into support. It was only a matter of time before we did start to see that move to the upside. And you can see quite clearly here that we are starting to get it, aren't we? We're having a nice little, we ran all the way up to around 140 here, which was a decent level of resistance, as we can see. And now Polygon is just essentially, it's ran all the way up to here, and now it will probably roll over, retest support hopefully, and start to move up like this. And we're just about to get that bullish flip of the EMAs, probably today. As you can see here, if I could actually draw across. Just about to get that bullish flip of the EMAs on the daily time frame as well. So a lot of, bullish signals that we're seeing in the market. Breaking out of all kinds of resistances here. Consolidating really nicely in between them, flipping them into support, and now we're just starting to run away with it, aren't we? Because we're breaking out of a lot of market structures here. Things looking really good for continuation, aren't they? You can see quite clearly on the chart, we're obviously in this descending wedge like this, but once we've broken out of this is one tick that we're, potentially going to get some more upside. And then once you start breaking out of your EMAs and all these resistances, it's pretty obvious that you're going to start getting a lot more upside, aren't you? And basically, you know, things are going really, really well for Polygon, aren't they? We can see quite clearly things have been going exceptionally well over the past week or so. We've actually come up all the way from around 62 cents. Let's just say how much this is. Basically, you know, 125% gains in a few weeks is absolutely insane, isn't it? I mean, try getting that in the stock market. You're just not going to get it, are you? So we'll just take a quick look at the weekly here. Definitely still in the bull market. Holding the, you know, we've pretty much come down. We lost the 20 for, you know, what is this, a week and a half. Come up, back tested the 20 perfectly here for 3 weeks, and now we are starting to run away with it, aren't we? Because you can see Polygon looking really, really good for continuation. Holding levels of support in the bull market for continuation. Things looking really, really strong here. You can see we are basically going to start targeting some of these higher levels now. And the technical target for the breakout of the falling wedge would be at around that 240 level. Basically where we formed it, you could say it's probably formed somewhere up here. And, you know, if that's the case, then we're going to be seeing some nice upside for Polygon in the next few weeks, aren't we? Because we're breaking out of all kinds of levels here, heading to the upside very nicely. Obviously, we're getting stuck under resistance here at around 140 currently. But sooner or later, we're probably going to, you know, potentially roll over here, back test our EMAs and this previous level of resistance into support. And then if we can keep doing something like this and heading to the upside, things are going to be looking very, very good for Polygon, aren't they? So we'll take a quick look at our hourly time frame here just to see what's going on. And you can see we've had a nice long consolidation period, which is good to see, because it means that essentially Polygon's going to have more chance of holding this area of support if we do back test it. It's nice to see us basically, you know, had this pretty much a V-shaped recovery here, haven't we? Come down like this and back up into this area, the big area of structure here. And now it does look as though we are just breaking out of this level here, which we did say if we broke out of it, we would be looking to, you know, test that 140, that 130, 140 level. And we have actually come up into that region now. We actually came up to about 140 here before getting rejected. You can see here we're currently just chopping it up. And hopefully we can come back down, back test this and, you know, have some further upside, because we are breaking out of a key level here. This big area of structure here, which we will outline here. You can see there's a big area of structure here that we have been chopping up inside of for a while. We obviously faked out to the downside, come back into it, and now it looks as though we are breaking to the upside. So hopefully if we can back test this resistance as support and then move to the upside again, we would be targeting that 170 level over the next few weeks as our short-term price target, because it does seem as though, you know, Polygon's showing a lot of strength right now, isn't it? It's obviously come all the way down to around 62 cents. Everyone's saying that Polygon's going to zero and everything's over, etc. But pretty obvious when you look at this chart, the Polygon has shown a lot of strength, a lot of volume back to the upside as well. You can see the volume is starting to pick up in this area as well, which is good to see. But we would like to see a bit more volume, something similar to this, where we did have, you know, a lot of demand previously. But I think that will probably come back with time as, you know, people start to get back into the space. And obviously for our long-term price prediction, we do think that $10-ish level is very, very achievable. That's literally it's less than a 10x from the current price, which we think is very achievable considering how good the Polygon network is and the utility it's providing. It does seem as though it's pretty likely it's going to do very well in the future. So that's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalist.